In this video, we will create a function which takes a number as an input and tell us whether the given number is even number or not. So for defining a function in Python, we use def keyword, and I will name this function as even or odd, and it takes number as an input. So what is the condition to check whether the given number is even or odd? So if the number is divisible by 2, okay, when we multiply 2 and if you get the remainder as 0, then it is a even number. So that means you can return true here, else return false. Let's call this function and see the output. So how do we call the function? Directly the function name itself, or odd, and I have to pass some value here. I will give 12, and what I will do is, to printing this output, I just wrap this function call within the print statement. Let's run this program. See, we got true as an output. That's true, right? And similarly, let's try one more example, maybe like 121 or maybe even 0. See, we got the output, right? That's all, guys. I mean, this is how we define simple functions in Python.